welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, I'm the real Capxvino. I hope that everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is safe. I know everyone just wants this lockdown to be over, but it's crazy. It's actually crazy that it's been a whole entire year now, and I just feel like we're still at stage one. Like, I feel like we're in the exact same position we were last year, but hopefully Boris sticks to his words, and hopefully things will seem a bit normal on June the 21st. But yeah, I'm not gonna get my hopes up. I'm just gonna live happy, just gonna enjoy every day as it comes and hope for the best. But before I get into this video, please be sure to subscribe, like and comment, and yeah, I hope you enjoy what I have to show you in this video. So in today's video, I have got a little sneaker unboxing. I really love doing sneaker unboxings on my channel just because I like to share my excitement. I like to share my excitement of all the trainers that I get. I did get these trainers a few weeks ago, but I just haven't had the time to physically do an unboxing. So yeah, before we get into the video and before I start unboxing these Air Max 1 clots, I just want to admire the box. The box is like the best thing about this train. Okay, maybe the box isn't the best thing, obviously the trainers is the best thing, but the box that it comes in is so simple. I love the simplicity of it, I love the design of it, and just the aesthetic all over. It's just so nice. It's very different to like your usual Nike box. But yeah, let me just talk you through with what's on the box. So on the front of the box you do see like this old-fashioned Chinese kind of scroll thing that has graffiti on top of it. I don't know if you are able to see properly in the camera, but it does say Air Max 1. And I actually think it's really, I feel like it's such a creative way to write Air Max. Like, looking at it at first, I just thought it was graffiti, but now looking at it in depth, I can tell it says Air Max 1. And then, obviously here we have the swoosh logo, we then have the Clot logo, and then obviously just the information about the shoe. And then also we have this Chinese lettering on the front of the box too. I really wish I knew what it said. Maybe if I research into it a little bit more, then I'll be able to find out what this actually means. But for any of you guys out there that can read this, please let me know in the comments what it means, because I would really love to know. Before I get into the trainers, I'm actually going to show you the inside of the box. The inside of the box is very interesting. I love how Nike and Clot have took the concept of the shoe and literally infused that into the box design as well. On the inside of the box, obviously you get the trainers, you get the tissue paper, and then on the inside of the box you actually have the sole of the shoe. Sorry, my lighting is not 100%, but hopefully you can see the outlining of the shoe inside the box. At the top of the box you also have the names of all the points that are listed within the diagram inside the box. But yeah, overall I really love the box idea for these trainers. It's different, it's completely different to any of the shoe boxes that I already own for any Air Maxes or Nike pair of trainers. But yeah, I think it would be a sick purchase. I feel like if you're buying these trainers, then you've literally won in both ways, obviously because of the box, but also because of the shoes themselves. So onto the shoes, I am actually so gassed. Like, looking at these shoes just make me get a big smile on my face. Like, I love them so much. The thought of me not getting these shoes, I would have literally screamed. As soon as I seen pictures of them floating the internet, and when I seen that they were gonna be releasing very soon, I just thought I need to get my hands on them. I'm someone that doesn't enter all the raffles. I call myself a sneakerhead, but I don't enter all the raffles. The only raffle that I literally go to is Offspring. I used to enter every single raffle, but I just never have any luck. Like, I have no luck at all, and it just got to the point where I just stopped because I was having no luck. But yeah, enough of me waffling again. Like, all I ever do in my videos, I just waffle. I waffle so much. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. So here are the Air Max 1 Clot Kiss of Death. Whoa. So yeah, here are the Air Max 1 Kiss of Deaths. They are stunning. They are absolutely stunning. Obviously, when I talk through the shoe, I will do more close-up details. But yeah, as a whole, looking at them, like my babies. Literally like my babies. The fact that my whole outfit goes with them today, my nails even go with them, my lips go with them. They're just beautiful. So beautiful. But yeah, so the first clots that came out, they came out around, I think, 15 years ago. I'm gonna go 15 years ago, correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, when the first OG ones came out 15 years ago, obviously I've seen them before, obviously I wanted them, but the prices for them are just extortionate. So yeah, there was no way I was paying that price for them. So yeah, so starting off with the trainer itself, the whole kind of like, so obviously the upper is like this beigey, dirty, grungy kind of khaki colour, and then you obviously have the bright orange sole. You also then have the red air bubble section, and then obviously you have the translucent toe box. So obviously the OG ones, there is a few things that are a bit different, obviously from what they look like to the box they come in. They do look a bit different, but the fact that I was able, whoa, that just wiped me in the face. But the fact that they've brought them back out after so many years is a dream come true, because I've finally been able to get my hands on some clots. So yeah, let's just start talking about the trainer in general. So looking back at the OG clots, they actually did have preparation holes in the toe box. So the fact that the upgrade version has preparation holes is really good, because I feel like your foot needs to breathe. When it's on a shoe, it needs to breathe. And the fact that it's a clear toe box, you don't want your foot to be sweating, so the fact that there's preparation holes there to allow your foot to breathe is a really good upgrade version from the OG pairs. Obviously when I wear these, I won't be wearing them barefoot. Who's wearing trainers barefoot, please? So yeah, obviously when you rock these trainers, you're gonna have to have some funky socks, some quirky socks going on, because if you don't have a good sock game with these trainers, then what are you doing? What are you actually doing? Like, yeah, your sneaker game is on point, but your sock game is gonna be on point whilst wearing these two, because obviously you're gonna be able to see your socks through the toe box. So yeah, make sure you get some quirky socks to go with the trainers. My own preference, I'm actually not going to wear these. I just feel they're like too beautiful to wear outside and get dirty and get muggy. Obviously I look after my trainers, but there's just some trainers that you shouldn't wear, and these are one of the trainers that I don't think I'm going to wear outside, just because the beauty of them. And when I get my own house, when I get my own little space, I think I will definitely be putting these in my house as like a little ornament piece, just because of how cute and how nice they are, and I just feel like it'll be such a nice aesthetic to have in my house when I'm older. So yeah, these are never getting worn by me. What I really love about these trainers is the fact how bright the orange sole is. Orange is like one of my favorite colors, and I actually don't have any trainers in my collection. I do have my orange Crocs. They're not really trainers though, so the fact that I'm able to have a pair of orange trainers in my collection has made my day a little. But yeah, I really love the sole of these. Before I start talking about the rest of the trainer, I just want to talk more about the clear box. So the clear toe box is actually a reference to Chinese people like centuries ago, because like before trainers were invented or any other shoes were invented, obviously Chinese people had to wear sandals. Well, that's what they literally wore, a lot of sandals. So that is very much reference to Chinese culture. Obviously I talked about wearing good socks with these trainers. There is a little notice on the trainer which I'm going to read out, and it says this product is made of natural dyed leather and may have dye migration. Wearing it with dark socks is recommended. So if you do purchase these, make sure you do go for some dark socks, because obviously if you have light socks then the dye could go onto your socks, which might be okay if you don't mind getting socks after socks, if you don't mind buying more socks. But yeah, I think dark socks is a good idea to go with these trainers. So yeah, then moving on to the Nike swoosh. It is like it's a bit like a crocodile effect on the Nike swoosh. Really gives like a premium feel to the trainer. Going over to the laces are a bit more darker than the actual suede upper, which I feel complements the shoe very well. And then obviously the tongue of the trainer, the tongue of the trainer then also has the Nike name, obviously the Nike swoosh, and then it says Air Max, as you can see. These trainers do come with an extra pair of red laces, so if you weren't feeling the khaki laces, then at least you have an extra pair. One of my favourite things about these trainers is the fact that the sole of them is just crazy. Like, can we just deep how lovely these soles are? Like, these soles are not meant to be worn outside. Like, if I wear these outside, that sole is completely gone. Like, it's not going to look like that no more. But I honestly am obsessed with the sole. I think that is one of the main attractions to this trainer for me as well. As I showed you before in the box, you've got the print of the sole in the box too. So if you look closely, you'll be able to see like the different prints of the foot. I love the colours that they've used. The fact that they've used like a transparent sole as well, so that you can see through and see the colours. I really love that idea. And then at the bottom you've got the Clot logo as well. So then on the back they have like this embroidered logo. I feel like it just gives it such a luxury feel to the trainer. The fact that it's embroidered just gives more of a luxurious feel. And also they've embroidered the Clot logo, which I really love too. Going back to the laces, I did want to say that they are wax laces, so that's obviously why you can see that they're a bit shiny. And the fact that they gave an extra pair of laces, it wouldn't be a premium trainer if extra laces weren't involved. The fact that Nike has come through with another extra pair of laces is amazing. So if you wanted to switch it up and you weren't feeling the khaki laces anymore, at least you'd be able to switch it up. Going back to the top of these trainers, this is actually ostrich leather. The feel of it is so soft, like it is so soft. It honestly feels like I'm touching an expensive leather bag or something. It just feels so nice. Overall, the quality of these trainers and the make of them are to die for. Like, I feel like they're one of the best trainers quality wise in my collection right now. I have tried these on with socks and without socks just to see the difference in sizing. I feel like they're very much true to size, so if you are thinking about purchasing these, then I would definitely go true size, just because you don't want them to be too big or too small. Before I finish off this little review of these trainers, I just want to show you the sole. This honestly adds a different dimension to the shoe. So this is what the inside sole looks like. Obviously it has the points again, exactly how they were in the box, and then obviously it has the Air Max 1 graffiti and the Nike swoosh, and then some Chinese writing that I don't know what it is. I'm assuming it's the exact same writing that's on the front of the box. So yeah, if you do know what any of this means, like the Chinese language writing, if you know what it means, then please let me know in the comments below. So that is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I really love doing unboxings just because it gets me excited to share with you guys what purchases I've made. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to comment down below on what you think about these shoes, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, that is everything in today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. See you later.